What's that? What's that being downward? Yes, we are rising with such a risk. Hi guys, here's me at my desk. We're gonna be trading, and here's me, Anna, baby trader. And here's me gonna be trading. And what else to say? Got a little bit distracted with many stuff that is going on, but I hope it's just gonna be fun, because that mood and being thinking of lots of things, in a 1 second is not the best one for the trading. But this is just me, and I'm gonna start as it is. And this is the microphone. It's right here. This is it. 1 minute right here, 600 for a start, and that's gonna be the indicators that we're gonna choose. And the period, of course, gonna be something around 7, and this time it's gonna be 8. Not a big difference, as I already been mentioning before. And here is gonna be again 8. And CCI, rate of change, and the third one is going to be Donchian channel. Donchian channel. Change it, right. And the period, 8. Oh, look how different is that. And candles gonna be 15 seconds. Here is just the currency pairs with the biggest payouts. And this is just for us. That's the assets, as they call it. Okay. Quite a long, it is all uploading. Here we are with the crazy daisy Donchian channel, but with the kind of nice lines of these 2 indicators below that chart. Let's start. Definitely we are at the bottom. If you even look at the chart, we are definitely at the bottom. And with the CCI, it's not that easy, but with the rate of change, it's perfectly seen. But CCI mostly can give us the info about the speed, about how fast that's gonna be, because if CCI is flat or just getting upward kind of slowly, that's the perfect image what we need to expect. And let's see. Just as I told you, yep, we are rising, but we are rising with such a risk. That's the plateau, so we are just in the doubts. But I need it a little bit, yes, I need it a little bit faster to get it as a profit. Just done, the perfect entry position, just at the bottom. So we gotta be rising. Definitely we are just at the beginning. So we guys just been thinking about my own stuff. Sometimes just because I need today to make finish some stuff and being trading and plus thinking about your own life, it's getting kind of hard. Definitely we are playing just like that. Don't forget about the Donchian channel, that what we actually need to mine, that all these candles are trying to be inside, or just the channel trying to cover all these candles. So actually sometimes this channel is trying, just to adjust to the candles, and that's quite important. Of course, that doesn't mean the channel gonna be adjusting. It doesn't mean if we have this line right here and the candle right here that it couldn't be more. Of course, that could be. Now that's kind of nice and safe with all these indicators just showing us we're gonna get upward so drastically and so quickly. So we just need to wait to collect what been having. How about this one? I must say that's a little bit like a flat position of the indicators. Something checked. I don't know why, but they switched. And we just gonna be rising. I think we're gonna be just continuing. Maybe it's gonna be slowly rising, but anyway, we're gonna be rising. And you need to be quite attentive to the Donchian channel width. Is it narrow or kind of wide? And wide, that means we're gonna be changing the trend. Now, yep, it's getting wider because we're getting downward, but I wanted to get back. Yes, I wanted just right here to get back. Yes. Yes. Go, 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 go. So we were just correct about the tendency at the end of the trade-in, and we just had this pattern. So we gotta continue in this downward trend, and we just entered in the middle, and then we change it. Look at that guy. Not guy, but guys. We are rising, and I think this Donchian channel is so narrow. I think we're gonna be continuing rising because, but there's the risk. There is the risk at this. At this, extreme points. How could we actually know that's this the peak, and we're gonna get back, or we're just gonna continue in, and that's just the middle? I think we have not so much time, so that could be actually the end, but we still have a little bit. It's the plateau, so we have a little bit on that exact level, and then right after we're gonna get back. CCI being flat, that's good, but in the upper position, so actually that could mean we are growing and we are just gonna be staying at the same level, and you may see that actually we do sometimes above of it. Yeah, but I think we are ending that tendency of growing and then gonna get back. But having a bad for the downward trend could be actually fatal. And this one is gonna be for the rising. Oh, got it. Oh, we're gonna get back. And I just want to pray that it's not going to be too much time for that. We're definitely going to be changing the tendency, and I just hope it's not going to be the short tendency, because if it's going to be short, this 1 minute is going to be too much, even if you would correct at the beginning, at the entry point. Because don't forget, guys, we do predict the end of that 1 minute tendency, so in 1 minute. What's that? What's that being downward? CCI and the rate of change, especially CCI, giving me yep, that's correct. And let's finish all of that. Yep, above the estimated level. Or nothing to tell you, nothing to tell. A little bit, not enough, something that, in that strategy. A little bit we need something more. We're done. And just as we started, and I told you, me being a little bit actually distracted, and because I need to finish some stuff, and that's the best, not the best, it's the worst thing to be, because you are just somewhere else. Don't do that, guys. Be focused, be concentrated. That's important, because me got it all as a profits, but I think if I'm going to be watching that video, I'm going to be just sitting right here like I said, nothing useful or nothing helpful, but many videos, many moods, many trade-ins, many situations.